You might have heard rumors about the Tecno Spark Go 2 having a fake camera, but that's not true. What you're seeing is called an infrared sensor or IR blaster. It can control your TV, air conditioner, and other devices that use a remote. Wondering how to use it? Well, the phone comes with a pre-installed app called the IR Remote that lets you control different devices. Simply choose a device type in the app, look for the device name, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll gain control of that device. If you can't find the specific brand name you're looking for, you can try other brand names. They usually work. You can manage almost everything with the Tecno Spark Go 2 IR Blaster, making it super convenient. Now you know, it's not a fake camera, but an infrared sensor. By the way, you can grab the Tecno Spark Go 2 at a cheaper price. Just click on the link in the description. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.